guys, welcome to my channel. It's Jaji here, and on today's video I will be showing you guys how to do an easy cut crease on hooded eyes using the Just My Luck palette from Colourpop. So if you'd like to see how I achieved the look on my thumbnail that you guys probably already saw, then keep on watching. And of course, if you like this content, what I upload, and me, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything I post. Stay tuned, looks coming soon. Okay, so I went ahead and did one eye off camera, and now I will be showing you guys how I do this using, to start off, the Morphe 433 brush. My eyes already primed, and I'm gonna go in with that light green color, chances are, and I'm just gonna kind of use that as a transition. Like I said, this is for hooded eyes, so if you see, crease is supposed to be like this is my crease. What I do is I bring it like right here, like right above the crease. Whew, I'm sorry I keep sniffling. I have a stuffy and runny nose. Alright, so once we get that color down, then we're going to go on with Kiss My Hash, which is the one next to the one we just used. And same thing, go above that crease line. And just go in. And I'm actually kind of like winging it out. Do that as well. Once we have that down, then I'm going to be using my JS6 brush. This is the collab with Jeffree and Morphe. And I'm going to go back in with that Chances Are light color. And I'm just going to lightly tap that. So back in with that 433. So now we're going to use our Morphe 513 brush, and I'm going to go in with Act Natural, which is that darker green on the last row. And I am going to keep that one right at the crease. Instead of going above, I'm going to keep this one at the crease. Again with a little more. Okay, so we're going back with our JS6 brush back into that lighter green, and again we are not going to blend, we're just going to tap. Now we're going to go in with Morphe 514 brush, and this is just like a really small fluffy blending brush, and just I'm gonna go with the edge, as you see, like just like that, and go right here and kind of just blend all that. Now I'm gonna go in with a Morphe 503 brush, which is more of just like a packer flat brush, and I'm gonna go into that Mo Bamba color, which is that like really dark hunter green. This one we're just gonna pack on like the other one underneath that crease. We don't want to pass the crease. We're going to go back in with the JS6, and now instead of going into that lighter color, we're going to go back into the one next to it. Now we're going to go back in with that fluffy blending brush that I said, which was the 514, back into the lightest color in the palette, and again blend out any harshness. I hope I'm giving you guys a good view here. Bear with me, guys, you know, I'm just getting the hang of this YouTube stuff. I don't know what the fuck I just said, but yeah, I'm just getting the hang of this YouTube stuff. So if my angles aren't right, let a bitch know. Now we are going to cut the crease. So I like to use the Colourpop No Filter concealer. I talked about it in my last video, but I like to use this to cut my crease. It's really Morphe 167 brush, and if my brush is nice and flat, no little flyaway hairs. Okay, and now for hooded eyes, remember, if I were to conceal right here, when I go to open my eyes, all this would go away. So remember, for hooded eyes, you want to go above your crease a little bit, so that way when your eye is open, you're able to see whatever it is that you added. Now I'm just going to use like any little flat brush to pick up the color that I want on top of that cut crease, but I'm actually going to spray my brush first because it is like a pressed glitter. The name of that one is Mary Jane. Of course, that's honestly why I wanted the palette, because of the name of the shadow. And if you know Jaji, you know she loves her Mary Jane. Pretty. Okay, so now this is what we have. This is what we have. So now what you want to do is you're going to grab your 513 brush again and go back into Act Natural, which was this green here. And we're kind of just going to go over the edges, but try not to blend too much. But just go over. Oh my god, my stomach just growled. I hope you guys didn't hear that. Just go over the edges just a little bit. With that packer brush, which was the 503. What the fuck, I can't talk today. Which was the 503. So we're gonna go back in with Mo Bamba, which was the khaki green color, and we're just gonna pack that on the outer V and just get it right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the one next to Mo Bamba, which was the Act Natural, and bring that a little closer. See that? We're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Alright. Now I'm going to go in with the Morphe 506, which is just like a tiny blending brush. And I'm going to go into the color Big Banks, which is another like glitter or shimmer, whatever. And I'm just going to blend that. I just want to darken it a little bit more, so I'm just going to go in with Act Natural. Add that a little bit more right here. Alright, let me just go back. So you see, like, if you add a little much and you want that Mary Jane color back, just go back in and add it back. See, there we go. We're back. Hello, we're back. Alright. So now, what I like to do is I grab any little, like, smudging brush or any brush that's, like, really thin that you can, like, trace something with. Any brush works. This is just an e.l.f. smudge brush, and I'm gonna go back in with that Mo Bamba color, the color that I used in the outer corner. Just dip into that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace the cut crease. Okay, so now we're gonna go back with the JS6 brush and go with Kiss My Hash and kind of just blend that out, just so it won't look so harsh. Like, you don't have to go crazy because you don't want to, not too much, just a little. And now we have that there. You see how it's outlined? Perfect. We're gonna go back in with the 514 brush in the lightest color in the palette, which is Chances Are. And again, just get all of that nice and blended. Alright, so this is with the look we ended up with. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off a camera, add some lashes, do the rest of my face, and I will be back with the final results so you guys can see how it all looks with the lashes and everything. Alright guys, now I am back with the finished look, and this is what we have. Don't mind if my lashes are a little wonky. So yeah, that was my simple little green cut crease for hooded eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It came out really freaking cute, just in time for 420. 420 is tomorrow, so just in time. Mary Jane inspired. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys were able to learn or pick up a few tips from this. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a